it's Jaquell from Augment. I've got some exciting news for everyone. Our latest update is now live and available for all users. The enhancements we've made bring a whole new level of accessibility and functionality to Augment, and guess what? You get to dive into that magic right now. So let's jump straight into what this update brings to the table. All right, first off, our desktop client got a major boost. As you can see, so many things have changed. It is brighter, it is clear, it just looks a lot more inviting. The personalized Ask Augment window now suggests tailored questions that update periodically as you go on about your day, making your search smoother than ever. So if you want to see who you've met with, or if you want a summary of your history on a specific website, you can see all that right there, as well as ask the simple questions that you would ask before. Not to mention, the ability of reference is now integrated right into Ask Augment, unlocking even more power for your queries. So instead of going into the hashtags in a separate document or somewhere else, you can do it right here in Ask Augment. Remember recall and past meetings that were here on the left? Well, they've undergone a transformation and they are now all memory and meetings, neatly tucked away within the memory tab for your convenience. Everything you need right where you expect it to be. Our meetings have been completely revamped as well. Now, when you click into a meeting, you'll see on the right hand side that you have the ability to add speaker names. So instead of going through reading something that says speaker A, speaker B, you can go through, choose a speaker, and label them as who you'd like them to be added as. And once you do that, you'll see that the transcript as well as the summary will update and show you who these people are. And that goes and follows you all the way from Ask Augment to different queries that you may have, any interactions that you have. It will remember who these people are that you've tagged or labeled as. You can also go through and click into any particular part of the actual transcript, and it'll begin playing audio from that point, as well as searching the transcript for any specific words or items that were brought up as well. And finally, introducing Discover Augment. Discover Augment is now part of our educational toolkit, empowering you to unlock Augment's boundless potential at your own pace. Just go through each of these sections. It'll tell you exactly what to do. And as you finish these things and end up learning more about Augment and how to use it in your day to day, you'll see that it shows you a completed task. Now you can complete them or you can mark them as complete if there's something you've done already. All right, now let's talk about the dot. It is no longer confined to a single space, it's everywhere. You have the freedom to relocate it, to hide it all together. You have complete control over your workspace. So, clicking into the dot unleashes a world of possibilities. Whether you want to summarize what you have on screen here, if you want to transcribe from any application that you have open, you can access your memory quickly and quickly get right back into it by clicking into memory. And you can also hide the dot. Now, hiding the dot is purely visual. So if you still wanted to capture information on the website or the document that you're in, but you just didn't want to see the dot, you could click into hide and you'll have the option to choose between an hour, a day, or even permanently. Once you choose one, you get about 5 seconds and then you can kind of decide whether you want to continue with that or not. And if you accidentally hide something or you do it and you want to change your mind, it's totally fine. You can go back to settings and under preferences, you'll see all of the things that you have hidden, all the applications. Some have been default, others are added by you. So that's it. If you haven't already experienced this new update, all you have to do is quit and restart Augment app. It's easy as that. Remember, we are here for you if you have any support or any questions while exploring these awesome new features. We're just a message away in Slack, and you can also email us at care@augment.co. Thank you for being a part of the Augment family and get ready to unlock endless possibilities.